Oh, hello everybody. This is going to be a little bit of a different video than I usually do because I've been wanting to do this for quite a while. This is going to be a tutorial on just basically the Minecraft launcher that I use and also the mods I use and how to install them. I actually use a launcher called Multimc. It's basically that lets you create basically separate instances for, you can create as many instances as you want, both modded and vanilla. And you can even launch multiple instances at a time, given that your computer can handle that. And I think I am actually going to walk you through how to install it from scratch. So let's search up Multimc first. Of course, this is the site. And of course, assuming, well, I guess depending on what your platform you're on, you're going to want to install the right version here. I'm on the PC, so I'm going to click Windows. Even though I have Multimc already, I'm going to actually download it fresh for you and, of course, walk you through how to install it and everything. Okay, so when you download it, you get this, basically it comes in a zip file. Then you want to extract that. Okay, what I had to do is basically name this folder and something different because I already have Multimc installed over here. That's the one that I use, but of course I'm doing this fresh installation just for my video. So basically once you unzip it, you get this folder. And of course I'm going to name this, so I'm just going to name it number 2 so that it's different from the folder I'm using. So anyway, once you get Multimc, you open it like this, and you then launch it. And of course, guessing the majority of my viewers are gonna be speaking English, so of course we'll pick that. And of course you want to make sure you have Java for this, because of course you need that for Minecraft. And of course when you open Multimc you get this window. And then, of course, assuming you've downloaded this for the first time, which in this case I have, I'm going to go with New Instance. And assuming that you're going to be playing the latest Minecraft release, click OK. Of course, you're also going to have to put your account in as well. I'm probably gonna edit this, or at least blur the letters, because I'm not gonna share my personal info with all you guys. Of course, once you do that, you're gonna launch your instance for the first time. I mean, even if you're going to add mods, I'd still recommend you do this at least once, just so it can initialize everything. And it doesn't actually take this long to start. This is only the first time, so of course it has to like download everything it needs. Okay, of course we've launched Minecraft successfully, so I'm just going to close this, and there you go. You have successfully installed Multimc, assuming you followed all the steps correctly. And thinking, okay, I could also show you how to do Optifine as well, because it is a mod technically, but it really improves the performance of Minecraft a lot, especially if you're on a slow computer or just not very high spec of a computer. And of course, we're gonna search Optifine and grab the latest version. Okay, we got Optifine, so well, here's where it gets interesting. Like, you can install Optifine. Well, typically with Optifine, when you install this, you click on the jar file, and then it'll give you instructions on how to install it. Like I think literally you just click on it and then let you install this. But if you click install here, it's just going to install this into roaming and app data, which of course we don't want, because that's like default Minecraft. With Multimc, instead of in that directory, it's all within its own directory, like in its own folder. And but that installer is not going to install it there. It's going to install it in default Minecraft, which I'm guessing if you're going to be using Multimc, you do not want that. And there's many different ways to install Optifine, depending on if you just want vanilla or if you want a mod loader. But I think I'm going to do this in the next video just because it's a bit of a long process. So thank you guys for watching the video. This has been Dusty Circuit's tutorial on how to install Multimc and get Minecraft running. And the next video is going to be how to install Fabric mod loader, and of course how to get Optifine and a few mods running on that. So stay tuned for that, and this will be Dusty Circuit signing off. Hopefully you've had a nice day. Remember to like and subscribe, and I guess bye for now.